Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo here. I am headed into Target and I'm bringing you with me. Let's go shopping. Target Dollar Spot is putting out some adorable things for summer, starting right here with these little crates. This one in natural wood with lemonade on it. They are both $3 and it also comes in the white finish. They are on the smaller side, but still adorable. And to go along with the whole lemonade theme, they're putting out a few easel signs. These are all chalkboard finish for $3. It comes in the sweet tea version, this little mason jar on a planked wood background, a lemon, as well as a little chalkboard that says fresh lemonade in teal. To go along with those summer items, they're putting out some trays. These are $5 as usual. They're calling them wooden serving trays. This one in Sweet Tea Brewing Company could not be any cuter. These are very similar size to the ones we saw with the nautical decor. They also have this one with the big lemon on it and a plain white version. And something we saw last year were these little ceramic ice cream cones. They're just $1 a piece. They're also putting out quite a few banners to go along with this whole theme. They're all $3. They have the one in summer, this one which is kind of like sweet tea, the lemons, which I'm sure will be very popular, this one that says lemonade stand, and this adorable version in sweet treats. Now on to some Patriotic summer decor, starting with their $5 pillows. This one in gingham, home sweet home, with some pom-pom fringe, a canvas flag. This one has a navy backing, and this one in navy and red plaid. It is the same print on both sides. As you guys know, these are not super big pillows, but they're a great little buy for $5. Now on to some of their tabletop decor. They have these little standing stars for $3 a piece. This one in navy. They also have it in the wood finish with red and white stripes, and in the white finish with a galvanized corrugated center. They have some really cute hanging signs this year. These are all $3. This version in stars and stripes. Of course, they have the US on a planked white wooden backing, a planked red, white, and blue heart, this one with a jute hanger, and a planked wood American flag in all neutrals, and my favorite, America the Beautiful, printed out with a wooden frame. Now on to their $5 Pipberry. I'm gonna call them mini wreaths because that's what I think they were going for. They'd also be great around a candle. They also put out some star string lights, this one in red, white, and blue, and this in the natural finish stars. They're also putting out some floral stems. Now these are $3 a piece. Very pricey if you ask me. They did this one, a little green stem, very plasticky, and this one, which is a whole lot better looking. Again, $3 a piece for those flowers. But something I would not mind paying $3 for are these little pieces of wood decor. They have family in the natural wood finish, USA in red, white, and blue, love with the little flag heart, and liberty in a plain white finish. Another $3 item are these hanging metal stars. This one in the pale blue. They also have it in navy, white, and red. I love to look for stars this time of the year because you can definitely reuse them during the holidays. And something I thought was going to be $3 are these adorable ceramic milk cans. Now these are small for $5, still super cute. The stars, the stripes, as well as the plaid, they do all have a blue rim around the top. And just under those, I found these sets of 2 plastic plates for $3 in the stars, the blue and white gingham, as well as the red and white. They also have a few plastic cups in Sip Sip Hooray, red, wine, and blue, and cheers for just $1. And the crates. So these crates are $3 a piece, very good size. I found it in the natural wood as well as the dark blue, and in the red. Something I was surprised by are these really cute little picnic benches for ketchup and mustard. They are $5 a piece and would be super cute at your next barbecue. They had quite a few out at this store, as well as these stacking ceramic dipping bowls, this version in stars and stripes. They are in sets of 2 for $3. They also have it on navy in Dip Dip Hooray and in these stars and stripes. These with the prints on them definitely remind me of Ray Dunn. And speaking of that, look at these salt and pepper shakers that they're putting out for just $3 a pair. It comes in this version in white with the black text, as well as a little star set. The blue has stars and the red and white stripes on the other. They're also putting out some $3 Patriotic runners, the red and white plaid that we saw on the pillow earlier. This one blue with white stars and some red fringe. And this one in a very pale, almost chambray blue with white stripes. And for their dish towels, always in sets of 2 for $3. They have this one in stars and it is paired with the plaid, a little bit of red fringe on that one. Of course, they did the stripes with some blue fringe and it's paired with the stars. And this one that is America the Beautiful printed out and paired with a stripe with blue fringe. They also did this almost denim looking pair with some white fringe paired with that very pale stripe. And some napkins. These are cloth napkins in sets of 2 for $3. Again, in that very light blue, some stars and stripes. They also did sets of 2 serving utensils or salad tongs for $3, and it comes in the stars and stripes and gingham. They're also putting out some $5 adult aprons in the stars, this red one with a flag pocket, the stripes, and the really light blue. And for taking to your barbecue for $5, they have these really large insulated bags in both the stars, the gingham, and the plaid. Now before we get on to the Father's Day items and some of the camping things, they do have a few novelty items, these rope lights for $3. Of course, they've always put out some patriotic scarves. These are all infinity scarves for $3 and some children's $1 socks. I love these. One is stripes and one is stars. They have the little light up necklaces, but they are $3 a piece. Do yourself a favor and pick it up at Dollar Tree for just $1. They have the little bike bell for just $1 as well as the horn. And they're really playing up the whole decorate your bike for the 4th. These are little helmet stickers for $8. They're also doing all kinds of ways to decorate your little bike if you're in a parade, the stars, the USA license plate, a few little rockets that you can attach to your bike. They're just little DIY paper items. These are actually for the spokes of your bike in red and blue stars, and some little flags that you can attach as well. They're also putting out the $1 clings in all kinds of prints, from the flag to stars, USA, this one with different text on it, Happy Birthday America and in love, and some really oversized beach balls for $3 a piece. These are great for your barbecue or pool party. Now on to some Father's Day items I found here today. They did these mugs in 3 different versions. This one's sort of a gray blue with Papa, black I love that you're my dad, and #1 grandpa on green. They also did 2 different little trophies, #1 grandpa and best dad ever. These are $3 a piece. They're also putting out sets of 2 glasses, #dadlife, #1 dad, and this one in cheers, and they are $3 for 2. If your dad likes to grill, you may want to check out some of the utensils they're putting out for just $3. They are wooden handles. A few of them have different white or gray tops. They also have the spatula in King of the Grill, the barbecue fork, and the tongs. And if Dad's going to be grilling, you may want to pick him up one of these little $5 aprons. Comes in a few different colors and prints. This one on black with all of the different barbecue items on it, and this one that says King of the Grill. They're also putting out a ton of really cute handmade cards for Father's Day with something for everyone, from tools to ties, sports. This one, number one Papa, and some fun little coupons for Father's Day for just $1. And more cards to choose from. This one with the suspenders is super cute. They also have one in a spatula as well as the popsicle. And to wrap up your gift, they're putting out little Father's Day gift bags already paired with some matching tissue paper in all kinds of prints that coordinate with the cards. And the best part is they're all just $1. A few more gift ideas for Dad. They are putting out some grooming items. They have beard oil for $5 in 2 different scents. They also have these little travel sets or travel kits in 2 different scents. This one's mahogany leather for $5, and they also have it in this one, white birch and tobacco. And of course, a few different little shaving bags for $3 in 2 different grays and in green. Now let's get into some of their new camping items they're putting out for summer. These are little light up ceramic pieces, the green tent. They have 2 different trailers. This one, the pop-up version. They all have little LED lights in them, and they're all $3. I love this little blue camper. These are great little pieces of decor, especially for a little boy's room. They also have the little ceramic lantern. They have some fun little headlamps for the kids in teddy bears and raccoons for $5. And they brought back the $5 campfire pillow that we saw last year, again with all of their camping items that also make great room decor. This is a good size pillow. For $3, they do have these little utensil holders. They're kind of like a cloth napkin, some really adorable prints on them, especially if you're a scout. And speaking of that and camping, they're doing the tent lights, little hanging bulbs for $3 a piece, and the really cute little fold out utensil set. They do have them in black and red with a little butter knife, spoon, and fork. Something we've seen in years past are the little marshmallow roasters. These are just $1 a piece, and they come in a few different colors so you know whose is whose. Some little string backpacks for your campers. I'm sure we'll be seeing lots more in the days to come. I hope you enjoyed seeing what Target's putting out in the dollar spot. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.